Come test drive the 2017 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.